Okay, here's the last from our notes page from today. A bus is traveling at a speed of 20 miles per hour. Okay, that is your linear speed, right? That's v equals 20, linear speed. If a tire on the bus has a diameter of 4, meaning it has a radius of 2 feet, how fast is the tire rotating? So it's looking for angular speed, right? Your omega. So we have the formula, velocity equals the linear speed equals omega times r. So if we want to solve for omega, that would be v over r. Okay, so that's our general formula that we're going to apply. The omega, or the angular speed, equals the linear speed, 20 miles every hour. So remember, we write this as a fraction, divided by the radius. So usually we put radius in the numerator, but because we're dividing, we're going to put the radial length of 2 feet in the denominator. Okay, and of course we always have it per unit radian. So the radius is radian over 2 feet. In other words, 20 divided by 2, right? Because it's in the denominator, that makes it division. So we have it in miles radians per hour feet, right? Those are our units, miles in radians per hour in feet. And we want it in revolutions per minute. Okay, so let's first take care of this hour business. In 1 hour, there are 60 minutes. Okay, so that converts our hour time into minute time. So there's our time conversion. We no longer have hours, we have per minute. And then we have revolution. Oh, I guess we need to get rid of these miles and feet. Right? We're not allowed to have any linear units. So no miles, no feet, no none of that. So let's get rid of those units. We know that 5,280 feet equals 1 mile. Right? And because mile was on the numerator here, we have to put it in the denominator because we need these to cancel out top to bottom. Right? The units cancel from top to bottom. And now we have our radians. We have it in radians, and we need to have it in revolutions. Okay, so radians is in the numerator right now, so I'm going to put 2 pi radians per 1 revolution. So radians goes in your denominator so that we can cancel out the radians with the revolutions. Okay, so let's look at what we have now. I have revolutions in my numerator, and I have minutes in my denominator, and that's exactly what I want to have as my answer. So now I just need to go to my calculator and do everything on the top. So we're going to multiply 20 times 5,280, right? These are our only numbers. Well, there's 1, but of course multiplying by 1 doesn't actually change anything. So 20 times 5,280, that is 105,600. And then the denominator, I'm going to multiply all of this stuff. So 2 and 60 and 2 pi. So 2 times 60 times 2 pi is this decimal, 753.982. So when I do this in my calculator, it's 105,000 divided by 753, I get a omega of 140.056 revolutions per minute. Okay, and that's my final answer, 140.056 revolutions per minute. Okay, hopefully that helps. Goodbye.